Hello guys, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. Are you enjoying this my small series? Now, in today's video, I want to talk about 3 reasons why you are always broke in your 20s. Like, you are always calling people, please, can you help me 2K? Can you help me 5K? Can you help me 10K? Like, every time you have a problem, you are always looking for people to borrow money. Yeah. Why are you always broke in your 20s? Like in our 20s, I believe that we don't yet have that much responsibilities. Even if you have children, maybe they're still going to nursery school, they are going to primary school, but yet you don't have money. You are always broke. Like they will just call you that there is a situation, they need 5,000, you are going to borrow. There's a situation, they need 10,000, you're going to borrow. Do you know why? I'll be telling you 3 reasons why you are always broke in your 20s. Number one is laziness. In your 20s, what are you doing with your life? In your 20s, do you know you can be going to school and you're have a side hustle at the same time? Yeah. In your 20s, you can be going to school and at the same time you have a side hustle. Yes. I remember when I was I was much younger. Okay, now I'm in my 20s. So when I was much younger, should I say much younger? Okay, when I was in primary school and secondary school, during the holiday period, I always do small businesses. I don't even want to tell you guys the kind of small businesses I was doing, so that I will make money. Then when school resumed, because I was going to a day school, when school resumed, I'll be able to take care of myself because what my father always give me is granuts. Yes. So when school resume, I use my that 3 months holiday. I'll use that 3 months holiday to make money for myself. Even during December, I'll make money for myself. But second term holiday in Cameroon, it's farming season when you want to plant granite, cocoyam, and all that. So during this period, you cannot really do anything with your life, and it's just 2 weeks holiday. So during every third term holiday, sometimes I cook food and sell. I boil granite and sell. I do buy and sell them. Why? Because I want to make money so that when school resume, I'm able to have some extra income for myself. Even if my mom and my dad don't give me money, but I still want to have extra money for myself. But now when you come to like the university, you don't go to school all the time. You go to school in shifts. You can have the morning shift. Maybe you can have a course from maybe 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Then now from 9 o'clock to about the next day, you don't have any other class. You can use this time to make yourself extra money. You can get a job. You can even get a side hustle from the money your parents are giving you. See, I have seen students that their parents are giving them feeding money, but they transfer that feeding money to do side businesses. I have seen people who are students are going to school, they have side jobs that they are doing, and they are in their 20s. So, but you are always broke because you are lazy. You are saying that school is overtaking so much of my time. I can't go to school and work the same time. It's stressful. That is why you are always poor. You are always looking for people to borrow you 5,000, 10,000, because you only depend on what your parents are giving you. And if your parents don't give you, you just lost your weight. Number two reason why you are always broke in your 20s is lack of purpose. You don't have your purpose. In fact, you are not purpose driven. Yes, you are not purpose driven. Your own is that as you wake up in the morning, you go to school. Or maybe you're not going to school, you wake up in the morning. If your mother says, let's go and sell meat in Munya market, you go and sell the meat. If your mother says, let's go and sell fish, you go and sell the fish. Like your body. You say, this body, I need to take care of it. I don't need to stress. Your own is to rub your cream, draw your eyelashes, pull your mascara, pull your red meat, pull your nails, and be slaying around. That is your own. You don't have your purpose. Like, you don't have your time. Where they say people are counting how weeks are going, months are going, years are going, you don't have your time. You are not purpose driven. That is why you're always broke. You need to have purpose. Be purpose driven. Be purposeful. That way you will not be broke. Number 3 reason why you are always broke. You have the wrong company of people. You have the wrong circle of friends. See, having the wrong circle of friends can make you poor all your life, not only in your 20s. Having the wrong circle of friends can make you to be poor all the days of your life until Jesus comes. So you must be careful the kind of circle of friends you have. You must be careful the people you relate with them, the people you associate with them. Yes, because if you associate yourself with 5 people who are making 100K every month, you become the number 6 person making 100K every month. If you associate with 5 people who are millionaires, you become the number 6 millionaire. If you associate with 5 Ebobo, you become number 6 Ebobo. So the wrong circle of friends can make you broke all your life. Every time you have money is to go and enjoy, is to go and flex, is to go and take care of the body. That circle of friends. But having a circle of friends whereby you can even join together, you start up an investment plan, then you start a small business, that business is generating your money. That circle of friends, you can never be broke, because anytime there's an issue, you run to them and they'll give you a share. From there, your share, you can use it to do something for yourself. So these are the three reasons why you are always broke: laziness, lack of purpose, and the wrong circle of friends. So let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this episode, and should I continue, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until now, I will see you very, very soon in my next video.